Hello and welcome to Monica America on Capital TV Washington. Today, our Monica America team takes you inside something truly special, the 2026 South Asian Business Conference, the largest gathering of South Asian professionals, entrepreneurs, and community leaders in Virginia, hosted by the South Asian Business Council of Virginia at the Hyatt Regency Dulles in Herndon. Hundreds of professionals, policymakers, entrepreneurs, and students came together, not just to connect, but to create opportunities, share knowledge, and build the future. From AI graduations, to startup pitches, to powerful leadership conversations, every moment here was designed to inspire and empower. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Monica America and like our Facebook page. Now let's go inside. This isn't just a conference, it's a movement, says Mansoor Qureshi, chair of SABCVA. A movement to connect, collaborate, and grow together, empowering our community, fostering innovation, and building the leaders of tomorrow. We are creating real opportunities so the next generation has access, mentorship, and a clear pathway to success. And today, our team brings you that vision in action. Setting the tone for this incredible conference was Sunila Bali, Chair of Legal Affairs, SABCVA, and the official MC of the event. The day began with innovation and ambition at the SABCVA Pitch Competition, moderated by former Secretary Juan Pablo Segura. Entrepreneurs presented bold, innovative ideas competing for mentorship, exposure, and funding opportunities. The room was electric as judges evaluated creativity, scalability, and real-world impact. This competition reflected the entrepreneurial spirit driving the South Asian community forward. Winners received prizes, and the SABCVA team will soon arrange meetings with investors and the VIPC team. Segment: Internship Graduation Ceremony. One of the day's most powerful moments was the AI and Cybersecurity Internship Graduation Ceremony. Interns received certificates of completion from Loudoun County Treasurer Henry Eichelberg and Juan Pablo Segura, marking a major milestone in their professional journeys. These internships are more than just experience. They are life-changing opportunities. Many participants have already secured positions with top companies and leading universities. Over 100 internships have been placed, and this is just the beginning. These internships aren't just opportunities. They're launching pads for the next generation of leaders, says Samara Mansoor, chair of the Youth Committee at SABCVA. Over the next 2 years, we're determined to place more than 1,000 students into meaningful roles in AI and technology, helping them turn their dreams into reality. One of the most impactful sessions of the day was the CEO panel, moderated by Sarah Basha, delivering real-world insights and keeping the audience engaged throughout. The panelists discussed opportunities for entrepreneurs in Virginia, strategies for securing federal and state contracts, winning proposals, and the importance of community leadership. They also explored the growing influence of the South Asian community, the role of AI in today's workforce, and the latest job trends, followed by an engaging Q&A session. The panelists shared powerful insights that truly captured the spirit of the South Asian business community. Juan Pablo Segura emphasized that strong partnerships between the state and the community are the key to unlocking meaningful opportunities. David Ramadan highlighted the resilience and entrepreneurial drive that defines this community, while Anil Sharma reminded everyone that success is built through preparation, persistence, and nurturing the right relationships. Salil Sankaran stressed that strategy, collaboration, and adaptability are essential to thrive in today's ever-changing market. And Sadiq Ahmed offered a compelling perspective on the future, noting that while AI is transforming industries, human creativity, vision, and leadership remain irreplaceable. Together, their insights painted a vision of a community empowered, connected, and ready to lead with innovation, purpose, and heart. The energy in the room was truly inspiring, filled with learning, engagement, and meaningful conversations. The conference also honored exceptional leadership and community impact. Led by Chair of SABCVA, Mansoor Qureshi, the ceremony recognized outstanding leaders and entrepreneurs in the community. Anil Sharma, Inspiring Businessman of the Year, Rizwan Jaka, Community Impact Award Ritu Desi, Principal Advisor Entrepreneurs, and Sunila Bali welcomed leaders including Congressman Suhas Subramaniam, State Senator Kanan Srinivasan, Delegate Atusa Reeser, Treasurer Henry Eichelberg, and Juan Pablo Segura, who addressed the audience, offering their support and recognizing SABCVA's impactful work. Samreen Qureshi, Chair of Women Empowerment, introduced the SABCVA Advisory Board, highlighting over 200 years of combined experience. Leaders united by one mission to give back and uplift the community. Sajani Rao, Principal Advisor, Women Empowerment, encouraged donations and support, saying, "It is important to give back to the community through your talent, skills, dedication, and support. Behind every successful event is a dedicated team of volunteers." Recognized by Iman Hussein, SABCVA honored individuals who devoted their time, energy, and heart to make this conference a success. These volunteers are truly the backbone of this movement. A special thank you to all sponsors and partners, as shared by Dipti Rach, Principal Advisor, Donation and Fundraising. Your support made this event possible and continues to create opportunities for our community. Your investment is shaping the future of innovation, entrepreneurship, and leadership. What our Monica America team witnessed today is more than just an event. It's transformation in motion, from students discovering new opportunities, to entrepreneurs building their dreams, to leaders giving back. This is what community looks like. As Mansoor Qureshi said, "We're just getting started. From hackathons to internships, we are building platforms that will shape the future of our community." This is more than a conference. It's a movement, it's a vision, it's the future. For updates and to get involved, visit www.sabcva.com. On behalf of the Monica America team, thank you for watching Capital TV Washington, where we bring you stories that inspire, empower, and unite. See you next time.